them that lead earlier with that bank shot, but he wasn't done. Look at the time on your screen, 3.9. Sabi natin, maraming oras yan. JJ able to carve out space, going to the right side, just a small screen here. Actually, si Pasigas na nakabantay sa kanya. Pinomba pa! Pasok pa rin para kay JJ.
When you have a 6'11" guy in front of you, you really have to be creative with your shot. At yun mismo, ang ginawa nito si JJ Helterbrand with one hell of a winner dito po sa panalo ng Barangay Ginebra. Higa nga, nakipaglaro sila sa pagkatalo dito sapagkat nawala nila 22-point lead. But when it mattered most, pumunta sila kay JJ Helterbrand and he delivered.
See it right there. JJ just able to find some inner strength and able to find a way, an angle para ma-shoot yung bola na yun.
One thing I can say about JJ, it must be the shoes. JJ Helterbrand with that big shot. Ilang beses po natin ulitin. Hindi magsasama ang Barangay Ginebra with this sweet victory dito po sa ating Sunday offering. A win of Barangay Ginebra in their first game sa Commissioner's Cup over Petron Blaze Boosters. At ito, they're still celebrating with their hero JJ Helterbrand. Hindi matatapos ang selebrasyon ng barangay. Wala pang umaalis dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum.